I am back, yes, again, with this hair and this outfit. I gotta take advantage of the opportunity that I look cute, okay? So, yes, your girl is back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you click the bell icon to have your notifications set to on. That way you can get notified when I upload a new video. If it's not your first time here and you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all of my videos, why don't you go ahead and subscribe already? I would greatly appreciate it. And we could be best friends. You could hit me up. We could do videos together. Or we could just be friends. We can go out to eat, like, whatever. Subscribe, support your girl. If you want me to support your channel, leave a comment down below. I totally will. Like, I'm all about it. So, did anybody notice that you didn't have to listen to my awful sponsorship in the beginning? That's because today your girl's got her first sponsorship. I'm so excited. Like, not only am I so excited to get my first sponsorship, but it's with a brand that I really like and I really believe in. So I'm excited to show you guys this product today. So today's video is sponsored by a company called Hickey Lipstick. Cute name, right? So I want to tell you a little bit about Hickey Lipstick before we begin. Hickey Lipstick is a girl's dream lipstick, but in a eco-friendly, refillable case. So not only is it refillable, but you can interchange it with different lipstick colors. Like, oh my God, wait till I show you guys this. Their Luxe Formula provides you with long-lasting color while providing moisture on your lips, which I think is so important. Obviously, if you know me, you know I'm a Carmex girl. So, like, these lipsticks are so moisturizing. And guess what? I am going to do a try-on for you guys today, which is so weird because I, like, never try on makeup on camera. So, yeah, we got that little bit in here today. Like, you're getting all kinds of goodness today. So, I'm super excited. So, let's go ahead and open her up. Okay. So here is the box. So cute. It comes with a little paper filling in. Now I know some people don't like the excessive filling, but I do recycle a lot of stuff and I reuse boxes that I get in the mail, so I'm not too worried about that. I really like that they took care in packaging this and they did, you know, make sure that it wasn't going to break in shipping, because I don't know if you guys heard about that Beauty Bay disaster with the conspiracy collection, but oh my God, like, no, that was bad. So yes, look at how cute the packaging is. I love the black paper in the back, how it just makes your package pop. So I got the white limited edition, which does come with 2 lipsticks. So it has a lipstick in here, and then it's also got this lipstick here. So let's take them out and check them out. Okay, so right off the bat, the packaging is so cute. It says Hickey, lipstick on the go. So the white limited edition comes in 2 combos. It is the color Skinny Dip, which is a perfectly pink, and Beach Babe, which is a coral. Okay. So let's open it up. Oh, what's it say? Made by Hickey Lipstick. Okay, let's open it up. How cute! It comes in a little bag. Okay, so you take it out of a little cone, and it comes in a nice, cute little black bag. Okay. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Okay. Oh, yes! So it's so cute. So you can wear it around your neck. I probably don't ever see myself doing that. But you can wear it around the neck. You could put it on your purse. You could attach it to something in your purse, you know? So, like, it doesn't fall out. You know, kind of like you have that key thing that you hang your keys on in your purse. Yeah, kind of like that, you know? All right. So first impressions, this is so adorable. Look at the packaging. I mean, it's so nice. It feels great. Like, feels good quality. Okay. Like, I'm so tired of getting shitty stuff in the mail. This feels bomb in my hand. Like, this feels like a good quality lipstick. All right, so I'm gonna read you a little bit about this lipstick. It says, Pure White, your favorite refillable long-wearing lipstick, available in a limited edition all-white riveted case with 2 lipstick refills. Okay, this is interesting. It says, Hickey lipsticks were curated to be your lipstick on the go. That is why this comes with a chain and a ribbon. So you can actually take the ribbon off the box, and it says both can be worn to transform the lipstick into a necklace. Excuse me. Into a necklace of your desired length, a bracelet, or a charm on your purse or jeans. Yes, I'm with it, I'm with it. All right. Hickey's long-wearing formula was specifically created to glide on smooth and finish with a luxurious velvety feel. We got to test that out in a minute, sis. I love this, okay? It says, we are proud of our clean beauty, pure, unprocessed, and safe. Every Hickey lipstick meets the Credo Clean standards. Always clean, integrity of products, and cruelty-free. We believe that what you put on your lips should be as good as what you put in your mouth. I'm with it! I'm loving this brand already, yes. So real quick, before I open this up and show you the shades, I want to tell you a little bit about their Essential Collection. So this is the white limited edition, but their Essential Collection, they have 3 color riveted cases, black, it looks like it's a matte black, gold, and silver. So you can also get, you know, these cases in different colors. You do not have to get white. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. So it opens up and it is just like a regular lipstick, okay? It says Hickey right here on the side. That's really cute. Okay. It's real nice. I'm sorry, I like got something in it earlier. I don't know when I first opened it. So that's a really nice color. This is the Skinny Dip Perfectly Pink. So that's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it on my hand and then I'll try it on. Ooh, that feels really good on my hand. Okay. So that's what it looks like on the hand. Pretty pink, nice pink. Okay. So let me go ahead and try it on. Oh, that's not a color, girl. It is nice and smooth. Oh, this is not my color. I don't like pink. So there it is on. Told you, girl, it ain't my color. But it's so nice. Did I just get lipstick on me? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not into lipsticks that are light like my skin. I don't think they look very good on me. Okay, maybe I could do this with something with like a cute bubblegum, like, kind of thing. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so this is really, really cute. So this is the cool part that I want to show you. Actually, pause. Let me go get a baby wipe. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just gonna wipe this off on my hand real quick so I don't have to worry about it getting on everything, because this is a lipstick. It's not a matte lipstick, it's gonna rub off. So back to the cool part that I wanted to show you. Okay, so these are interchangeable and refillable. So check this shit out. You ready? All you gotta do is twist this. And it comes out! It comes out. It's got a nice weighted ball in the bottom of this. Oh yes, okay, so this is the lipstick. Okay, so let's check out the refill. This is the refill, and this is also really cool. I really love the detailing of these products. The refills come in this cardboard box. Like, you probably can't tell, but yes, honey, this is cardboard. Let's see. Can you hear that? Who's backing up their van this late? Creepos. The creepo stalker kidnapper's out. Okay. So, I thought that this was really cool. Sorry. Kind of looks like a bankroll thing that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like a paper bankroll type thing. Okay. Anyway, so I just think that that's really cool of how they put the refills in paper packaging. You know what I'm saying? To reduce waste. Yes, come on, eco-friendly. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I love that my first sponsorship is from a brand that I actually like and I believe in. Come through. All right, so let's try to take this out and we are going to put it into our, how do I get this out? I can't. Oh, I can't get it out. I can't get it out. I can't get it. I can't get it.
Can't get it off. I can't get it.
Oh, this isn't happening. Ugh. Like, that was so, I don't understand. I don't know why it was so hard for me to get out, because I literally just pulled it and it went, it came right out. Okay, so this is the refill. You take it out of the cardboard, and then you just screw it back into here. I don't know if you can see, there are rivets in there. You just screw it back in like so. Make sure it's popped in, and boom! Oh, and there's our coral color. Come through. Yes, okay, so let's wipe this color off. Eat my lipstick. Just the way I like it. Okay. Now that I've got that taken care of, let's go ahead and swatch it on the hand first. Oh, this one's a little sheer. They're very moisturizing though, I will say that. So that one's a little more sheer. So let's try it on the lips. Oh, I like this one. I like this color. Not too light. Oh, maybe it is. I can work with it. I can work with it. This one's just a little more sheer. They feel so good though. They're so nice and moisturizing. Yes. One other thing I have noted about these lipsticks that I really like is this actually looks like the Louis Vuitton lipstick case. So it looks luxurious, it feels luxurious, it feels of quality. Like, I'm with it. This is so cute. I love it. Come through. Go ahead, Hickey. I love what you're doing. And I love the name. It's just so cute and fun and playful. Okay, so one last thing I want to tell you guys before we wrap up this video is if you guys are interested in these lipsticks, I will leave the link in the description box below, and you can actually use my code Hickey10 to get 10% off your order. So that is it for now, you guys. Of course, like I said, I will leave all the information in the description box below. Comment below and tell me what you thought of the colors and kind of what you think about the lipstick. Go to the website, check it out, and like tell me what you think. But before you go, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So I guess until next time, I'll see you guys later. I love you. Peace.